So we've got our unboxing of our new Rega Planar 1. Was debating between the Planar 1 and the Planar 1 Plus, which has a phono preamp, but after reading some of the reviews around the phono 1 Plus and, sort of the negatives of embedding a preamp in the turntable itself and all that can come from that in terms of noise, conduction, etc., I decided against it. And I've got a pretty decent receiver here. We're going to hook this into the phono jacks, hook it up. You can see the unboxing, pretty cool unit. It does come with a dust cover, just put it over on another blanket for now. It comes with this little piece. You gotta be careful. It's actually a little weight that helps counterbalance the arm, because this unit comes with doesn't come with an anti-skid. It's actually automatic. You weight balance the arm itself, and you push it in for this particular cartridge. Comes automatically set up for this cartridge. If you need to change the cartridge out and put a better cartridge in, then you just need you need to reset that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and we'll get to the next phase. So of course, what I noticed right away is this unit is beautiful looking, glossy finish, very well constructed. Comes with this strapped right at the top, which gives you the instructions for setting it up, and just step-by-step instructions. Don't even have to open a manual. Phono jacks hardwired into the back, and you'll need to plug those into the phono jacks on an amplifier, or into a preamp. In this case, I'm plugging it into the phono jacks on my amplifier. It then asks you to remove the turntable and remove the packing. If you don't freak out, but you can remove that. And you see that cardboard, we'll have to remove that. We'll go ahead and do that. We'll have to take the belt off, just temporarily. It's a very thin belt and easy to do. Take the cardboard out and we should be close to it. Okay, so two additional things. You get this counterweight, which helps balance the arm and allows it to have its non-skid properties. And what they ask you to do is to just fit it right on the end here, use some pressure, and slide it right up to this. You'll see it's fairly simple. Slide it right up to the end as far as it will go, and at that point it will be balanced. I'll do that in just a moment, because it takes two hands. But the other thing you'll notice is, I'll take this platter off just once again, is you'll see this piece right here, and this is how you manually change it from 33 RPM to 45 if you want to play 45 records. You'll see that bottom spindle. You just take the elastic. Here, let me put this down. You take the elastic here and just move it down to the next level, and that gives you your 45 RPM. So we're going to have it on 33 obviously here, so we'll keep it at that. And the last step is to hook up the power supply. A little bit's at the back on the left side. A little bit hard to get at. You plug it into a cartridge that's about 2 or 3 inches embedded underneath, connected to there, and then obviously into your plug. Okay, two other things. You just need to take the guard that comes with a little plastic, if you can see it here, little plastic guard on the cartridge just to protect the needle, and you just slide that off very gently. That gets the needle ready to go, and then there is an on switch. You should see right here. You'll see it down the lower left corner, and that turns it on and starts it spinning. And at that point, you should be ready to go. On a classic Allman Brothers Band record here, and you'll see how it sounds. We'll just drop it and let it play away. And with that, you can hear the amazing sound. And all is well. Want to, this is one of the best turntables I've heard in testing several. Rega is a company out of the UK.